I'm Urvashi Chawla and I'm a career strategist by profession. If you're someone who's looking for a job opportunity, here are some tips that will help you to land a good opportunity. The first thing that you can do is increase your visibility. Write an article, write a blog, or just share your views or write a post that is somehow related to the field that you're working on. So let's say you are a content writer and you write beautiful posts, and if I come across one of them on LinkedIn, I would definitely visit your profile and offer you a content writing job. So if you keep continuously posting or writing or sharing some information about your field, I would definitely understand that you are an enthusiast in your field, you really enjoy the field that you're working in or you wish to work upon, and there are good chance that someone from somewhere will connect you to offer you that job that you wish. The next thing that you can do is build your network. You can attend workshops, you can attend events, or offer a volunteer work somewhere. That will help you to build a network. Remember, in India, most of the business happens through network. If I'm looking for someone for web development, I would first ask my contacts if they know any web developer. I know I can Google it, I know I can go for some sites that have freelance web developers, but before that, I'll definitely ask for my network or I'll connect with someone I know who is a web developer. So if you build your network, someone from somewhere will connect you to your potential employer. So by improving your visibility and building your network, there is a better chance of landing a very good opportunity that you are longing for. But before that, you need to ensure that you are continuously developing the skills that are absolutely relevant to the job that you want. I hope this helps you in getting a better opportunity for your career. Thank you.